Good evening, everybody, and welcome to one more series where I have with me Shaktivel joining us. Shaktivel, welcome to this interview.
Thank you, sir.
Can you introduce yourself to the audience?
My name is Shaktivel. I reside at Tirupur, which is a city near Coimbatore, from south. And I have been looking at investments and other portfolio developments to invest wisely. That is how I got to know the Fortune Academy. And I just got inspired in the initial orientation class. Then I thought I'll move forward with the classes, which was really helpful. And Dr. Mani and Pradeep sir was really helpful in guiding us, and they had their deep classes with us, and they have one-to-one conversations which can build more knowledge and confidence with us, so that we can move our steps like with the strong confidence in us.
Amazing. Shaktivel, so can you tell us a little bit about your educational background and how were you already an investor before you came in, or is it something absolutely new to you?
No, sir. I just was an amateur. I did my schooling and college in Coimbatore, and then I moved to Delhi. I stayed there for 4 years. I worked on a corporate office over there. And I came back due to the COVID situation. I came down here, and I had free time, which forced me to explore all the investing and the share market and everything. And that is how I got to know the Fortune Academy. Then I thought I'll move to the class.
Amazing. I think really COVID, though it was a very difficult time, has allowed many people to learn new skills. So how difficult or easy was it for you, because it's the first time you were entering into this? How did you find the course overall?
The course was, it was really from the basic. It was not from intermediate. It is not from, this for the beginner level, people who wants to start their career with the stocks, or they want to, it is not like a full-time job. It's like you have to spend 1 or 2 hours in a day or so. It is a beginner level courses, and which you don't have to invest the whole day, or you don't have to sit in a system from 9:30 to 3:30 or something. It is like a 1 to 2 hour work in a day, which you can analyze. This is an aftermarket analysis which you have to do. It is not in a market timing which you have to do. So that's it. Then you're good to go with the 1 to 2 hour analysis. That will be a good return for you.
And how did you find the prospect of investing in the US stock markets? How has your experience been with that?
So I just have to look here, and I have not done anything with stock.
Okay, you are yet to get started on that.
I yet to get to start. I am just focusing on the Indian markets.
Amazing.
Because the fees in the US market is very high.
And if there's any new person who wants to learn investing, who is considering maybe Fortune Academy, what would be your advice to them?
I would say like this should be a first pick for the course, for the stock market course in India. And this I've seen I've attended like plenty of webinars and initial orientation classes, and from all of them I picked Fortune Academy as the best one, because like they start from initial thing, the candlestick patterns, to the analysis, to the understanding the terms and terms which they have mentioned in the balance sheet and everything, and the morning star key ratios and everything. And that's like I didn't know that initially, that these were the thing. I thought that initially the stock market is like gambling, but after joining the Fortune Academy, then I thought it's similar to a study where you study everything, then you invest it, then you get the profit out of it.
Amazing. So any concluding words you want to share with the audience about your whatever has been your learning journey so far?
I want to say to everyone that don't miss the classes, and even if you miss the classes, don't miss the recordings or anything. And the Fortune Academy is one of the best stock market course which I have come across. That's the thing. I think the rest, Pradeep sir and Dr.
So thank you, Shaktivel.
Thank you for watching this video.
Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, social media profiles, log on to our website and join any of our courses to get started on a journey of fortune living. The description to all of which is given below.